Hi, good day. I'm Joshua Diabalgas from BS Chemistry to H1. Everyone knows that washing your hands is one of the best way to protect yourself from COVID-19. A deep hand wash may appear to be simple and innocuous, but it is extremely harmful to viruses. A soap molecule has a long non-ionic hydrocarbon chain and a short ionic end. The hydrocarbon chain is nonpolar and hydrophobic or water repellent. The ionic end is made up of negatively charged carboxylate ion. This end is hydrophilic or water attracting. When soap molecules dissolve in water, they form micelles, which are spherical clusters of soap molecules with water attracting heads on the exterior and water repelling tails on the interior. The micelles then adhere to any dirt or fatty molecules, encasing them and rinsed away by the water. The coronavirus contains a genetic core surrounded by a double layer of lipids with protein spikes that makes up the outer sheet. The virus is protected by its fatty coating, which repels water. When we start washing our hands with soap, micelles become a bundle of cells in the water thanks to a formation of water-attracting heads on the surface and water-repelling tails on the interior that can disintegrate lipids. The water-repelling tails are attracted to the fatty envelope enclosing the virus and insert themselves into the protective layer when they encounter coronaviruses. The virus breaks and it's bound to perish in the drain. And that's why washing your hands is so effective in slowing the spread of coronaviruses. And that's all. Thank you for watching.